like a Hellcat.
What is up, gang? It's your bro Francis back again with another reaction video. So this video is a request from one of my dear subscriber. She reached out to me on Instagram DM and requested me to react on this, and yeah, we are here. So we are gonna react to a Khasi song straight out of Meghalaya called KIEW SHAPHRANG, and we have singers like Lilish, SAWIAN, KYNTIEW, MAWPHNIANG, AIBAN, MAWNAI, and B4NSHAN, and it is coming in from KIEW Studio. So without further ado, let's just dive in and enjoy the ride and check out what this music video has for us on the table, man. And yeah, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be a part of the family. And to all the subscribers, thank you so much for all the love and support you guys have been showing constantly. Also, do follow me on Instagram. You know, I follow back genuine followers, so I'm very much excited. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into the music video. I mean, like, let's get it, let's do it, man. All right, Lamer Production. Oh wow, gold. So we don't have the English subtitle, but yeah, like I always say, language should not be a barrier for you to enjoy the music. So we are gonna vibe into it. So far I'm loving it. The quality is amazing, and also the cinematography is looking quite pretty good. So let's just, you know, enjoy it. Beginning to start it again. Oh, this view, the drone shot, amazing. Nice dance step. Hey, oh. Done an amazing job. Like, these kids, like, the dance is amazing, and of course the voice is, oh, the angelic, the melodious voice, so soothing to this very ear. Oh wow. But kijing qua ngan pershang ngan thobek ban yo yan jing jo kiding pen kyang kim la ban khang ngin ya le bangi qua ban KIEW SHAPHRANG ngin thom bor kijing e bang ngin lom randin na mar bagi don la ka jong ka tho. So beautiful. I don't know, words are less. Like, this is like top notch, like amazing one. And I see like as time is going by, like all the new music videos that are coming, especially from Meghalaya, are becoming better and better in quality, in sound. And of course, DJ B4NSHAN has done an amazing job with the music. Oh, I'm loving it. OP.
Ngilong kum kikber wala kit kut kisner kiai persyang bet ban her wala kim la shu ban kner ngin kiu kan shaphrang ngin kiu kan shaphrang ngin kiu kan shaphrang ngin thom bor ki jing e ban ngin dong ran din na mar ba ni don la ka jong ka tho ngin yang ha ka nong rem ya ka sa bao they ai ngin snog ti la ban jo ya ki jing e nong ki kan shaphrang mình xiêm cả thang ban shan jing shai.
Hey, that was like amazing one. OP. I really enjoyed it. Like everything was so cool. The dance, the music, the voices, the cinematography, the locations, the lightings. Oh, top notch. Shout out to each and everyone who have worked in this project. All the artists and everyone who has been involved. You guys are amazing, especially those kids who are dancing. Oh, the energy, the vibes in them. Like I'm not really a dancer. Like I don't know how to dance and stuff, but like this song gave me that vibe. I was totally, overjoyed, and I was enjoying that song, man. And yeah, man, keep coming more. I will check out more of Khasi, songs, especially from this artist. And yeah, shout out to each and every one of you who have come to watch this reaction. You guys are amazing. You guys are awesome. You guys are GG. You guys are OP. And yeah, Northeast for life. Here we go.